Hello good people of the internet. You guys, you are amazing. You are subscribing to our channel, you are commenting, and you are doing everything that is needed. Muruguti supporter guys, murugu subscriber. Aiwa tinopa kutenda kukuru. And don't forget to advertise your business with us. Munongoti bata toita se tokuitirai munyati wacho, tokuitirai mudiginyira wacho wezvinenge zvichipisa. Saka guys, pane latest yandauya nayo nhasi and toda kuti muone, saka sikada kunyanya kupedza nguva kana uri munyowani. Don't forget to join our family, and our family is growing, and ari pano atitukane, tingori murudo. Thank you. Ndisinganyanya kupedza nguva, watch the latest.
God bless everybody watching me. This is Pastor Njava, the senior prophet of Pastor Njava Ministries. Excited to tell you that I'm hosting a 2-day event.
Oh Lord Jesus, you created your people for freedom. You don't want to come here? Why not? Go and never return and never enter again.
I'll be hosting one of my great sons, Prophet Lovi Elias, all the way from California to Maryland, this coming Friday and Saturday. There will be 2 events. In the morning till 4 p.m., we are going to have a prophetic class. Then 6 p.m. till late, we're going to have a prophetic conference. For the prophetic conference, there is only VIP seats, which you have to register on the website prophetpassion.com. For the prophetic school, you need to register that you may be having access to both prophetic school and the conference.
As I walk in, I see boxes, cream boxes.
I got a bunch of boxes.
I see a brown grayish couch. There's a TV inside.
Yes.
Black TV.
Yes.
But surrounded by this brown what?
You're in my living room. It's a brown frame.
Professor.
We got shelves. We got 2 shelves right next to the TV.
Prophesy,
Hey, go deeper, Papa.
Somebody's a
Prophesy.
The moment I enter, there's a gray double door fridge.
Yes.
Connected to these brown drawers as well.
Yes, it's my kitchen.
It's the kitchen.
That's my kitchen. You're in my kitchen.
I then go upstairs.
Prophesy.
The room is painted like brownish.
Yes, that's
brownish.
That's my son Taj's room.
I hear someone in the realms of the spirit.
That's my daughter Amira.
Amira.
Prophesy.
You don't want to miss what God is doing in the land of Maryland.
Look at me. Depart from her. Depart from her. Depart from her. Let the baby be positioned the right way.
Register now at the website prophetpassion.com, only for VIP. The rest is going to be for free. I will see you there. God bless you. The Idiosyncratic signing out.
I understood that the last prophet was Muhammad. So I'm thinking, I'm coming with this conditioning. I'm like, there's no way. There's no way. There's no way. Leaders. And then I find this charismatic and interesting guy by the name of Prophet Passion.